Gelela. Kodwa kakhulukazi osingabo the NTA winners and participants sanibonani. This will be put a colleagues ukuthi sometimes one is labeled as a guest speaker. Somebody who cannot even guess what our expectations. Now we are labeled as a guest speaker. Ever you are doing wonderful things out there, kubuzwa ukuthi ababani labantwana, and then it is discovered ukuthi bangabakhe. That is how he is shining in his darkness. Colleagues, don't expect much from me. I am short and I didn't prepare a lot. Right now I'm not even reading from anything. Kodwa into engiyazi ukuthi ngibheke nje theme la ekhulumayo nge-resilience. Ngase ngithi hey, for the fact that you are here, colleagues, it means that you are resilient. Ayikho into engingayi-expecta from me as a speech from now. Ubaba ube ubaba kuthina sonke, ubaba udirect. Ukhuluma amagama abalulekile, ninga-expecta kumina ngonye is NTAs kuphela. Because nami yona into engingakhuluma ngayo njengamanje ukuthi sithini ngama-NTAs akuthatha kubekephi. That is the only thing that I can be able to talk about right now. Ngifuna ukuthi ke colleagues, for the fact that you are here, congratulations. Ukuthi nikwazi ukungena kuma-NTAs. To take a step and decide that I'm going to enter for my NTAs, it's not such an easy thing because you think otherwise. There are those many what ifs over now my NTAs. Whenever they nominate you, sometimes we doubt, why do they nominate me? Am I the relevant person to go and represent my school? And then you go there, put the photos represent the school, just I go, now to go represent the district. And no doubt if it was his cut. Am I going to make it? I want to say, district. So we cluster A now, see here required. So by the way, you are my colleagues and my brothers and sisters. Right now, I'm not here to coach you about my NTAs, my NTAs. But I suppose maybe in the future, one will have the time to just to share with you, how did I win my NTAs? Maybe it can also assist you. Because I just want to say it was not just once my NTAs and then won as a national winner. I got chosen for about 3 years. My NTAs. I think it was in 2022. No, not necessarily 2022. My NTAs and presentation, some questions, my interviews. That one was such a difficult one. My interviews, you couldn't even anticipate what kind of a question that you're going to be asked. All you have is just couture. If the question comes like this, it is this and that you're going to involve in your answering my questions. But in the true sense, when you go there, my questions the symbols of when you begin to say, look what is relevant, I'm excited going into doubt it today. But it's better these days, colleagues, that you are just preparing yourselves against the questions that are there. You are preparing yourselves with evidence, and you can even put your evidence, NTAs, and then you speak upon what is there in front of you. Yours is just to manage time and show, and to make sure that you have covered everything that you want to cover in your answering or presentation. It's even better today. By those days, it was difficult. This has show you, colleagues, at my NTAs. It was very difficult to go some interviews. And it got to scat. It was quite difficult, that one. But the colleagues, you are so resilient because you defeated that fear. And they no, I'm again. I'm not ready. You are quite ready with everything. You've got a whole lot of evidence, but there is something that tells you that you are not going to make it. Defeat is a victory on its own.